In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use time tracking in ClickUp. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record time on your work so your tasks, reports, and billing stay accurate and easy to review. Start by opening ClickUp and looking to the left sidebar. That's where your main navigation lives. From there, head into Spaces. Spaces are the highest level of organization for your teams and projects, so going there first helps make sure you're working in the right context before you log any time. Next, select the space you want to work in. This brings you into the lists and tasks relevant to that area. Choosing the correct space now prevents confusion later when you're filtering reports or reviewing totals by team or project. Open a task within that space. Time in ClickUp is always tied to a specific task, which is great for seeing exactly where your effort is going. When the task opens, you'll see details like status, assignee, and description. This context can help you write clearer notes when you log your time. Inside the task, click Track Time. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a button or a small clock icon. Clicking it opens the time entry window where you'll add all the details for this work session. Enter the amount of time you spent. You can type a duration in hours and minutes like 1h30 now, or use whatever format your workspace supports. Aim to enter time as soon as you finish the work so it's precise. If your team rounds to the nearest 5 or 15 minutes, stay consistent to keep reports clean. You can also select a date and time. This is helpful if you're backfilling work from earlier in the day or a previous date. Setting a start and end time keeps your timeline accurate and makes daily or weekly summaries easier to audit. If you collaborate across time zones, double-check that the date and time reflect your local setting. Add notes and tags to give your entry context. Notes can capture what you did, the scope covered, or any blockers you encountered. Tags make it easy to group entries by client, sprint, feature, or billable type. Using consistent tags now saves you time when filtering later. When everything looks good, click Save. Your entry is now attached to the task and visible in the activity and time views. If you spot a typo or the duration needs an adjustment, you can come back and edit the entry. That's all there is to tracking time in ClickUp. Simple, accurate, and ready for reporting.